Welcome to Dashcam drama, where reckless drivers meet their reckoning and chaos erupts on every stretch of road. From unbelievable crashes to jaw-dropping near misses, each clip proves that a single careless moment can unleash total disaster. Buckle up and brace yourself for the adrenaline ahead. Recorded from Dashcam. The cause of this situation is still unclear, pending police investigation. Hopefully no one was seriously injured.
Oh my God!
Look, the motorbike is lucky. It was the excavator's fault. It's not allowed to run on the road like that. Luckily no one was injured.
Policja Obywatelska starała się być bliżej ludzi i słuchać problemów. Wrocławski listę piszą, że wierzy w...
Entering a curve, it was raining and slippery, making it difficult to control the steering wheel, leading to an unexpected accident. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Zwycięstwo na Dolnym Śląsku.
This clip is just a part of the movie, for everyone to watch for entertainment only. Wow, what a horrible accident. Just hope everyone is safe. A really dangerous situation. Sometimes we go into the blind spot of the container, which also leads to serious consequences. Fortunately, in this situation, we are still lucky. The car driver crossed the street without looking carefully, causing a serious accident. Fortunately, there were no casualties. The truck was unstable. The driver may have been obeying the speed limit, but the uneven distribution of the candy's weight inside the truck was causing problems. The candy's owner was struggling with it. Rain and slippery roads can easily cause drivers to lose control. An accident occurred when the driver was negligent and did not slow down at the bend. The road was wide and there were no vehicles on the road, but the container truck driver still caused an accident. The police are still investigating the cause. You guys look closely. As I saw, the Mazda car was moving when the tire was punctured. The situation was quite unexpected. Luckily, no one was seriously injured.
Then you told California. Oh my God!
The clip we are watching has limited visibility and we don't know who caused it. Luckily, no one was seriously injured.
Wanting to Adobe's live kids. And guys,
Wow, guys, look at that. Accident looks terrible. Hope no one was hurt too badly. You've just witnessed moments where fate twists hard and collisions hit even harder. Powerful reminders etched into every driver's mind. Stay sharp, stay safe, because caution is the strongest armor on any road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we dive deeper into the haunting stories that lurk along the world's wildest highway.